Exercise 5.3, question number 14. Find dy by dx where y is equal to sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square under a condition x is between minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. Okay, so we'll start. Let x is equal to sin theta. So therefore theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Under a condition, what is the condition? Theta should belongs to the domain of sine function, that is minus pi to pi by 2. And x belongs to close interval minus 1 to 1. Okay, so question will change. Y is equal to sine inverse of 2 sine theta into root of 1 minus sine square theta. So therefore y is equal to, in place of x I have kept what, sine theta. Okay, so sine inverse of 2 sine theta into 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Square root of cos square theta is mod cos theta. But as theta is between minus pi to pi by 2, as we have assumed in first and second quadrant, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. First and fourth quadrant cos function is positive. So we will write plus cos theta. Okay, so therefore y is equal to sine inverse of, what is 2 sine theta cos theta? Sine 2 theta. Now sine inverse of sine of something, I can write something only if something belongs to the domain of the sine function. For that condition we'll see minus 1 by root 2 is less than x is less than 1 by root 2. X I have assumed sine theta. Sine of what gives 1 by root 2? Pi by 4. So sine of pi by 4. Sine of what gives minus 1 by root 2? Sine of minus pi by 4. Okay. Now between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 means first and fourth quadrant. First and fourth quadrant sine function is increasing. So minus pi by 4 is less than theta is less than pi by 4. Inequality will not change. But we need what? 2 theta. So I will multiply by 2. So minus pi by 2 is less than 2 theta is less than pi by 2. It means 2 theta belongs to what? Open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, which is nothing but a subset of close interval minus pi to pi by 2, which is nothing but the domain of the sine function. So therefore y is equal to sine inverse of sine of something, I can write something because of what? 1, which is 2 theta is in the domain of the sine function. So therefore y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2 theta, I have assumed what? Sine inverse of x. So therefore now differentiate. Derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 2 constant. What is the derivative of sine inverse of x? 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So we are getting what? 2 upon root of 1 minus x square. This is nothing but the derivative dy by dx of this function under this condition. Now question number 2. Y is equal to sec inverse of 2x square minus 1, where x is between 0 to 1 by root 2, and we want to find out dy by dx. Okay, so I am assuming, let us start with solution. Let x is equal to what? Cos theta. So therefore theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of x. Under a condition theta should belongs to close interval 0 to pi and x belongs to what? Close interval minus 1 to 1. Okay, so question will change. Y is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon 2 cos square theta minus 1, because x we have kept cos theta. So therefore y is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon, what is 2 cos square theta minus 1? Cos 2 theta. It is a formula of cos 2 theta. So therefore y is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon cos 2 theta is sec 2 theta. Okay. Now sec inverse of sec of something, I can write something if something belongs to the domain of the sec function. What is domain of the sec function? Close interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Okay, let us check the condition. 0 is less than x is less than 1 by root 2. In place of x, what I can keep? Cos theta. Cos of what gives 1 by root 2? Pi by 4. Cos of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Okay, cos of what gives 0? Pi by 2. Cos 90 degrees 0. Okay, so therefore pi by 2. Now between pi by 2 to pi by 4, between pi by 2 to pi by 4, cos is decreasing. Between pi by 2 to pi by 4 means which quadrant? Here it is A 1 0 and here it is B 0 1. So 1 to 0 it is decreasing. So therefore pi by 2 is greater than theta is greater than pi by 4. So I can write pi by 4 is less than theta is less than pi by 2. But we need 2. So I will multiply by 2. So pi by 2 is less than 2 theta is less than pi. Means you are in which quadrant? Pi by 2 to pi. So therefore 2 theta belongs to open interval pi by 2 to pi, which is nothing but a subset of close interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2, which is nothing but the which one domain of the cos function given result number 1. So therefore y is equal to sec inverse of sec of something, I can write something. Why? Because of 1. What this one is saying? Sec is between first and second quadrant, that is the domain of the sec function. So therefore y is equal to 2. into theta. What is theta? Cos inverse of x. So now differentiate. What is the derivative of y with respect to x? dy by dx. That is 2 outside. What is the derivative of cos inverse of x? Minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So therefore dy by dx is equal to what? Minus 2 upon root of 1 minus x square. This is what dy by dx of this function under a condition.